many people don't have any friends in real life. They just have like online friends. On They are like 1000 or 2000 like online friends, but not one in real life. So what do you suggest in this?
Well, it's a clever trick played by the like the masters of social media. They give names like friends and likes and followers. But actually, friends, the real meaning of the word friend is not the same as so-called friend on social media. It's something like so a person's name may be Harishchandra, but he's not necessarily truthful, like Harishchandra.
Yes.
So someone we may call them as friends, but they're not really friends. It's a misnomer. It's not the right word, but they're using it. So I think, needless to say, that everyone whom you call as friend on social media is not really a friend. That's what I meant.
Yes.
So this is virtual. It appears to be true, but it is not really true in the real sense. Yeah. So therefore, we need to find real relationships, and you can't really have friends without loving interactions.
Yes, totally.
Right. You should have some real interactions. Right. You need to really give something, do something for that person, give that person something substantial, share your heart. Obviously, you can't do these things, with so-called friends on social media.